Hi friends, welcome. Today we see the seasons in India. In India, there are mainly 6 seasons as per the ancient Hindu calendar. The lunisolar Hindu. The 12 months in a year are divided into 6 seasons of 2 month duration each. These seasons include spring Vasant Ritu, number 2 Grishma Ritu, summer, number 3 Varsha Ritu, monsoon, number 4 Sarad Ritu, autumn, number 5 Hemant Ritu, pre-winter, and Shishir Ritu, winter. However, as per the Indian Meteorological Department (IMD), there are 4 seasons in India like other parts of the world. Number 1, spring season. The spring season is in India is a season of 2 month duration, which are March and April. In the Hindu calendar, the season occurs in the months of Chaitra and Baishakh respectively. It is a pleasant and beautiful season with an average temperature of 32 degrees centigrade. It starts after the winter and lasts till summer starts. The day becomes longer and night becomes shorter in this season. The people come out of the blankets and woolen clothes and start wearing light clothes. They are filled with excitement and happiness. The trees shed their leaves, new leaves start appearing. Birds and animals also love this season and are happy in this season. Birds start chirping, singing, and butterflies start hovering over the flowers. Besides this, many famous Hindu festivals are celebrated in this season, such as Holi, Vasant Panchami, Gudi Padwa, Baishakhi, Hanuman Jayanti, and more. Number 2, summer. It is also a 2 month duration season that includes the months of May and June. As per the Hindu calendar, the seasons mainly occurs in Jyestha and Ashada. In this season, the weather is very hot in the most of parts in India. The season starts with the end of April and lasts till the end of June, e.g. duration of the spring and before autumn. The average temperature remains around 38 degrees centigrade. The days are longest in this season while the nights have the shortest duration. Due to the scorching sun and high temperature, the water level of ponds, rivers goes down and people including animals, birds, eggs feel uncomfortable and tends to stay inside as much as they cloud. Although this season may be annoying, it is good for the crops as they ripen only in the summer season. Also, there are lots of options in this season to stay hydrated and beat the heat, such as watermelon, fruit juices, lassi, ice cream, lemon water, and more. The major Indian festival celebrated in the summer season of Guru Purnima and Rath Yatra. Number 3, monsoon. It includes the month of July and August. As per the Hindu calendar, these seasons come in the months of Shravana and Bhadrapada, Shravan and Bhadav. As the name indicates, rainfall occurs in the most of India in this season. As compared to the summer season, the days are short and nights are long in this season, and the average temperature remains around 34 degrees centigrade. It is sometimes called green season by the official of the tourism sector. The earth is carpeted with greenery, birds singing melodies, and the level of water rises in the rivers, ponds, and canals in this season. The sky is filled with black clouds before it rains, and a rainbow can be seen in the sky after the rain stops. The important Hindu festivals that are celebrated in this season are Onam, Krishna Jayanti, and Raksha Bandhan. Number 4, autumn. The season of autumn comes in the months of September and October. As per the Hindu calendar, this season comes in Ashwin and Kartik months. The hot and humid weather starts disappearing and leaves start falling off the trees in this season. So it is also known as the fall season. The sky becomes clearer as compared to the monsoon season, and clear moon can be seen in the sky along with countless stars that look like pears scattered in the sky. The water of the rivers and ponds settle down and becomes clean, and there is no mud in the villages. The insects and mites gradually start disappearing with the arrival of autumn. It starts after the monsoon or rainy season and lasts till the start of the pre-winter season. The average temperature in this season remains around 33 degrees centigrade. The length of the day and night is almost equal in this autumn. Equinox also occur in this season. It is an event in which the earth axis is tilted in a way that is neither inclined towards nor away from the sun. The major Hindu festivals that are celebrated in these seasons are Navaratri, in which Hindu devotees worship the 9 different forms of goddess Shakti, Sharad Purnima, which is celebrated as the harvest festival, and Vijayadashmi, Dasara, to celebrate the victory of Ram over Ravana. Number 5. Pre-winter. This season comes in the months of November and December. As per the Hindu calendar, this season occurs in the Agrahayana and Pausha, Agahan and Pous months. It starts at the end of October and lasts till the start of winter season of January. So it precedes the winter season. This season is moderately cold with an average temperature of around 27 degrees centigrade. It is the transition from autumn to winter and is the most pleasant and enjoyable time of the year. The days become shorter than nights, and the nights are foggy, colder, and the rainfall is occasional in this season. The trees in the mountains and hills start shedding their ripe leaves to reduce evaporation of trees to compensate the loss of water. However, soon the trees are loaded with new leaves and flowers, so it gives the message of leaving the old temptation and go for newness or innovation. Winter sports of national and international level are organized in this season. The flowers that bloom in this season are hibiscus, roses, bougainvillea, jasmine, and more. The important Hindu festivals which are celebrated in this season include Diwali and Bhai Dooj. Besides so many benefits, there are also few things that are not liked in this season, such as disease like cough, asthma, cold start appearing and infecting the people. Due to low rainfall, some crops may get spoiled, and crops and vegetables may rot due to fog and frost. Number 6. Winter season. The winter season in India comes in the month of January and February. As per the Hindu calendar, this season occurs in the months of Magha and Palaguna. This season lies between pre-winter and spring season. This season is characterized by dryness, cold, moistness, occasional rainfall and snowfall. It is the coldest season of the year with an average temperature around 20 degrees centigrade, and the weather is affected by air pressure. An area of high pressure develops in the northern region of the Himalayas that causes flow of wind from the region towards the Indian subcontinent. In some regions, temperatures falls below 0 degrees centigrade, and snowfalls also is very common in most of the hill stations of India in this season. The kharif crops ripen in this season. A large variety of fruits, flowers, and green vegetables are available in this abundance in the season. Besides this, winter season in India starts with the winter solstice. It is a geographical event in which the sun is at the highest summit in the sky. The major Hindu festivals celebrated in winter season include Pongal, Shivaratri, Lohri, and Pongal.